This is Clicker Simulator. This is a new summer event island. In this video, I'll explain how you can go from this to this in just a few hours without any Robux whatsoever. So as you can see, I have a brand new account right here. I'm a new player and I have no pets, no nothing. But this is a summer event island. You don't even have to jump up there or anything. It's right here, easy access to everyone. So once you walk through there, you'll see these melons all over the place. So if you touch the melon, you get a melon. And what these do is that instead of using clicks or coins or gems to unbox these crates, they use melons. So this one's 650. I am broke, so I can't do that. I had to keep on going until I get 50, and then I can get a basic pet. It's pretty self-explanatory. You just have to step over these, collect them until you reach 50, and then you'll be good. Some background info. I started this game yesterday when I had no pets or anything, so I know exactly how it is to feel like this. Yes, I was a new player just yesterday. I was this little dude. As you can see, I have 50 melons right here, but oh my god, it's so crazy around here. Head over to the 50 melon trust and hit E to unbox. Boom, I got an epic summer gecko. That's actually pretty good for a starter. So as you can see, it now gives me 5 melons each time I touch a melon, which will help in the grand scheme of unboxing the pets. Also, if I click, look at how it's filling up super fast. This is actually insanely good, and I won't be a new player anymore pretty soon. But trading is a key role in unboxing pets, and as you can see, I'm not so great on that. When starting the game, you need 50 eggs open to start trading. I have only one, so since I have this good pet, all I gotta do is click, 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 and I can just buy as many eggs as possible. I come over here to the 250 egg click and just hit auto, and pretty much I'll get 50 eggs in no time. Alright, as you guys can see now, I have trade unlocked, which means that I got over 50 eggs. Thank you very much, Auto Open. You do a great number of deeds. Also, you can claim these rewards for achievements. They don't do much, but just claim them. But come on, you're not happy with the gecko. You want that. You want that. You want all of these gators and stuff. Well, actually, the gators are very easy to get, and I hate getting them because I have too many of them. As you can see, somebody sent me a trade request, and I can hit accept. Never mind, they're in a trade already. But for now, I'm just gonna go in here, hit auto open, which only gives me one. I got a tropical crab, which will help me. It might not do so good in clicks, but it will help in the multiplier. So now, I get 8 watermelons per touch. 100 button clicks award. As you can see, I have only 100, but I'm getting there. One thing you should never do as a new player, never go to this crate right here. It gives you all the good stuff, but don't go there. It's a complete waste. It's so hard to get the good ones. Don't get them unless you have like thousands and thousands, like at least 5,000 of melons. For now, this one will do really good for you. Just hit auto open and it should open. Okay, so now I got firing dragons. I got a shiny firing dragon, which I would also like to equip. That's way better than this one. This one is not good at all, so also you can hit equip best to see which 3 are your best, and those 3 are my best, so that's what I'm gonna go with. So now let's see my multiplier. 13, that's not that great, but it's still pretty good. Hey, that dude was stealing my melons. Hey, come here, you little melons. I'd like to make it very clear that the Summer Event Island is extremely good for just grinding and getting better before you start going to actual islands. Okay, so 865 melons, pretty good, but I want to go back to 51 and just hit T to auto open until I'm broke. Beach Tiger, that's good. So my Beach Tigers are currently my best ones that I got, and their multiplier is ×7, which is pretty good. I'm finally getting 19 per touch. It may seem slow now, but as I've said before, you'll get there. Also, as you can see, I have quite a few of these firing dragons, so I'd like to make that a shiny, and if I get 3 more firing dragons, I can have a golden firing dragon. Dang, these tigers look ferocious. Okay, so as you can see, I finally have enough to make another shiny, and now I have 3 and I have a golden. Now if I equip best, that replaced that, so bye bye gecko. Oh wait, hold up. A mistake that this game has is that it only filters the best pets based on the amount of clicks that they give. For example, look, the gecko has ×5 melons, and this one only has ×4 multiplier, so I actually want to equip the gecko for now. This dude is offering me all this stuff. I can't take it. I can't take it. Quick hack, if you don't want to fill up all your inventory space with all these crappy pets, I suggest first you delete them all, and then you start auto-deleting these, because these are too bad for me, so just auto-delete them. Click on those, just click on the pet to auto-delete it, so that basically it doesn't add it to your inventory. Look, this is where we want to get. These two cyborg jellyfishes, they're extremely rare, but we're gonna get there. See, look, legendary cyborg jellyfish, 0.08%. But luckily on my account, I got 3 of them. Quick disclaimer, I'm not gonna be focusing on rebirths or anything like that in this video or islands, just the summer event. Also, I can now make a shiny beach tiger, and let's see the multiplier. Oh, it's still the same. Another good way to farm is by just walking over these watermelons while using an auto clicker to gain clicks as well. And basically, an auto clicker, it gives you 1 trillion clicks per second, that's what it does. I highly suggest using one. Trust me, you can't get banned for it. It's completely allowed. I mean, obviously, it's like they give you one right here, but it costs real life money, which is stupid. I'll leave the link to my auto clicker in the comments. It's really good. The site looks sketchy, but it's not. Trust me. But I'm really making progress. I got 1,000 melons. That's not bad at all. You know what? I completely forgot about this. I need to. When did I claim these? When? As you can see, I'm getting lucky and I'm non-stop hatching legendary beach tigers, which are 3% out of 100. That's pretty good. I remember earlier yesterday when I used to consider beach tigers like pog gamers. As you can see, I now optimized my pets to being perfectly on spot and me getting 21 melons per touch, which means that I got rid of the great clicks, but I added a full team of beach tigers and I'm getting great melons. As you can see, we haven't really been... I really need to stop saying as you can see, but as you can see, we haven't been focusing on the rebirths icon, but basically, it doesn't have any relation to the summer event. You won't lose anything, just your clicks, but clicks don't really matter in this case, eh? But if you don't want the title new player, just do this. Spam click that, spam click that, spam click that, spam click that, spam click that. I mean, I guess it's supposed to, like, reset all your progress for your clicks, but our pets are insanely good, so yeah. Earlier today, I was this dude. Yeah, but now look, I got a pro gamer, I got 150. The heck is that? As you can see, I'm near 2,000 watermelons, and this is where I had to stop using the 50 melon trade thingy. What's it called? Pet unboxer. Eggs. What? Now I gotta move on to 650. It's a big risk and it's kind of a scam, but if you got the melons, then it will be no problem. And I failed. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I failed. See, it's kind of a scam. Now I gotta do this all over again. Why? But I've only been grinding for approximately half an hour. Yeah, but like with at least like 2 hours of grinding. Oh my god, you're gonna be insanely good. You can't even see. Actually, wait. Did that sentence make any sense? I got a summer gator! Let's go! Let's go! And then I got a stupid one. But I got a summer gator! Okay, watch this, watch this. Where's my summer gator? 56 SP. And times 75 multiplier. 75! Did you hear that? 75. I'm gonna equip that. I'm gonna equip this. And boom, now watch. 97 melons, basically 100 melons per touch. And did you see how fast that escalated from like 29 to 97? That's the power of a summer gator. Wow, I should really consider giving them away instead of just deleting them. Now look at this bounty squid, 100 SP times 150 multiplier. Watch me just unequip the cool little small little beach tiger boy. Now watch. 240 multiplier. Let's see if I can get some stuff out of this dude. I don't think I can, so bye. Look at this, I'm this close to 20k. Now watch this. Now look at my inventory. Look at how many summer gators I have shiny. Oh yeah, boy. Look at, I don't even care about beach tigers or geckos or anything. I can just delete all of these. Bye bye flame dragons. I used to consider you good. Bye bye beach tigers. Bye. So with 2 bionic squids and 1 gator, I get 375 melons per touch. That is insane. My main account was at this last night, so imagine like, look at this. I'm godlike now. I am a god. Oh, I got hit by the tree, but I am a god. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of this and add this. And now for the grand finale of the video. 375 melons per touch. Look at these cool looking pets, and I'm a god. I'm a god. Oh no, I'm about to fall. But yeah, basically, just stay in the summer island. You'll get all the pets in the world. And then once the event is over, then you can actually start playing the game with clicks and everything. But I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you get good at the game if you weren't already. And see you next time. Peace.